Yes. You look so good. You know what? We both look so good. I'm not even gonna lie.
Pop it. Hey, Jocelyn.
Hey, Nook. What's up? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm so excited for our time together. First thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna prep our skin. It's called Futurist Watery Glow Primer. I use about like a coin size, like that much.
You gotta slap it in.
We are going to add a little bit of double wear foundation. I use like about a pea size amount. You see that? I like to use this foundation brush. How do you put on your foundation?
Using my fingers, I'll put it here, then basically in my T-zone.
Double Wear Radiant Concealer. One of the reasons why I love this concealer is because of the applicator. You're able to target the areas where you need. I like using a fluffy eyeshadow brush.
This concealer right here, change your life changer.
We're gonna use Double Wear Matte Powder.
Oh, this powder is popping. Wow, okay.
And we still got that glow going on.
Right.
Anuk, thank you so much for playing makeup with me.
I can't wait to see each other in person so we can do each other's makeup, you know.
Yes. Bye, boo.
Bye.